Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to Yvette Cooks. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell button so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. I'm also on Instagram as Yvette Cooks and on Facebook as Yvette's Kitchen. So please follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. So I am going to be showing you an amazing recipe on how to cook porridged yam, and I'm gonna use yellow yam and it is super yummy. So if you're interested, please come with me to my kitchen and let's get this done. So here guys, I just have a big yam that I bought from an African market, and this is yellow yam. So I am going to first of all start by cutting it, but I'm just looking at the receipt. I think I bought this for like $16 Canadian. So I'm just gonna cut it into smaller pieces and peel them so that I can have them cooked easily. So yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music because it's gonna be a little bit boring for you guys as I am doing the cleaning, but I wanted to see the whole process. So that's why I decided to record the whole thing. So let's go to music.
You said a word, heaven and earth were created. You said a word, daytime and nighttime were made. You said a word, mountains and valleys were formed. You're amazing, so amazing, God. You're amazing, so amazing, God. You said a word, oceans and fountains began to flow. You said a word, the trees and the flowers were made. You said a word, the stars,
So
moon,
guys,
and
I already have it all clean and I'm washing it. You want to make sure that when you're cleaning your yams that you also have water in a bowl because this yam turns into brown very quickly. That's why I have water, clean it and put it straight into water to maintain its nice yellow color. So I am going to take it away, change that water, wash it again and bring it back. So I already brought it back here and I just have my meat that I had pre-cooked. I didn't put anything in that meat except some salt, guys. And here I'm just showing you my spices. This is just onions, some garlic, some ginger, and some celery stems. And those ones I'm gonna blend them. So I also have my palm oil there and some spinach. And here I have green onions and I have my yellow onions as well. And there is just salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt and some black pepper and some crayfish. We call this crayfish, but you can use shrimp powder. And I also have a chicken broth powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my little blender, and I am going to go ahead and blend that into yeah, a little paste, and then I'll come back to the kitchen and we'll start. So I have my stove turned on to medium and I'm just putting my yam in there. So once I put all of my yam in there, I'm gonna show you what next I'm gonna put in that. So this is my blended spices and I'm just pouring everything in there, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of water in there just so that it can cook really well, because I like some soup in my porridge yam. So I'm just adding salt. I'm not measuring anything, guys, because when it comes to seasoning, just kind of make it yours, like seriously. So I'm just putting all of those spices that I already showed you, and I'm going to add some palm oil as well. So I'm not putting my crayfish and my green onions and red onions yet. So that is just habanero pepper too, because we like some heat around here, guys. I'm just gonna mix that up, and once it's nicely mixed in there, so that everything just kind of mix. And then I'm just gonna let that cook once I get it all mixed. Then I'll be back to show you after a few minutes. So it's been boiling for about 30 minutes, and I am going to go ahead and just use my wooden spoon and just kind of move it around. And at this point, I'm gonna add my green onions and my red onions. You can use any onions of your choice, guys. And then I'm also just going to put my crayfish or my shrimp powder at this point. The shrimp powder just gives it like a fishy taste, but if you don't like the smell of fish or the taste of fish, you can definitely omit that part. That one is not mandatory. So I'm just gonna mix it and just make sure that everything is nicely mixed. I don't even know if I'm making any sense, guys. I'm just having fun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it and see if all my salt and my pepper is everything is good. Looks like everything is kind of good, so I'm not gonna add anything. But this is the point where you decide what else to add, if you want to add a little bit of salt or not. So I'm covering it to cook a little bit, like 5 more minutes. Then I'm going to check it again. I think at this time my yam is pretty much well cooked. And just look at the consistency of the soup in there. Then I'm gonna add my spinach. So here you can add, in Cameroon we use bitter leaf to add here. You can add any green vegetable of your choice, guys. I like to add a little bit of vegetable for the iron, and also for the color. I really like the green color in my food. And it also has, spinach is really rich, and green vegetables are full of vitamins and stuff. Yeah, so they are good. So I'm just gonna mix that and just make sure it's nicely coated in there. So I'm just gonna add a teeny little bit of palm oil just for the shine. Why? Because I'm African girl, and we like food that has oil, but I don't want a lot of oil. I just want a little bit more just for the shine. So there you go, guys. Look at how nice that is. I think this yam is ready, and I'm just letting it just, ooh, it is so yummy. So this is it for this video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. And follow me on Facebook as Yvette's Kitchen and on Instagram as Yvette Cooks. Thank you very much. God bless you.